In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add labels to GitHub Discussions and use the announcements category. This is useful for organizing conversations and highlighting important updates for your team or community. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, look at the left panel where you'll find your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to enable discussions. Once you're inside the repository, click on the Settings tab in the top toolbar. This is where you can manage your repository's features and configurations. Now, scroll down through the settings page until you find the Discussions section. Check the box next to Discussions to enable the feature for your repository. After enabling discussions, refresh the page so the changes can take effect. Once the page has refreshed, return to the top toolbar. You should now see a Discussions tab. Click on it to open the Discussions section. Next, click New Discussion. You will see different categories that you can use to organize your conversations. Find the Announcements category and click Get Started. This category is useful for sharing important updates and information with your community. Now, enter a title for your announcement. Keep it clear and descriptive so people can quickly understand what the announcement is about. Next, enter the details of your announcement in the body section. You can include any information or updates you want to share. Once you're finished, click Start Discussion to publish your announcement. You can also use labels to help organize discussions and make specific topics easier to find. And that's it. You've successfully enabled GitHub Discussions, created an announcement, and learned how to organize conversations with labels. Thanks for watching.